Hello guys, welcome to the Ecom Profit Masterclass. My name is Laz and I'm going to be taking you through this journey of creating your Shopify store. We're going to head on over to Shopify. Basically it's shopify.com right here. This is where we're going to be creating our Shopify store. So if you've never created this, you might want to still stick around because there's some things here that you may have missed while creating your Shopify store. And it's just important to go through everything, make sure everything's set up well, and you're good to go. So we're going to click here on Get Started, and it's going to ask us to start our 14-day free trial. Now, we're not going to use this email because this was already used before. So we're going to create a new Shopify store with our current email. And then for your store name, this doesn't really matter right now because what people are going to see is your domain. But for right now, the store that we're going to be creating for this course is a dog store. So we're gonna call this Happy Paws Outlet. Create your store. And right now, Shopify is creating our store very quickly here. And now it's asking us to tell them a little bit about ourselves. So basically, this is some just preliminary stuff that we have to fill out. It doesn't really matter what you choose here. So it asks, are you already selling? Uh, I am not selling products yet. Do you have something to sell? Mm, yes, I have product and I'll be ready to launch in a few weeks. What is your current revenue? $0. I'm just getting started. And we won't check this because we're designing the store for ourselves and not a client. So we'll click next. And here pretty much we're just gonna fill in all of our information. Now I'm gonna blur this out so you can't see it, but just go on ahead and fill it in for yourself. And once you're done, click enter my store. So there we go, we have created our store. Now we're on a trial period, as you can see here. So later we'll be selecting a plan and basically adding in all our billing info. We won't do that just yet because we don't need to, but we will be doing that going in the future. We'll get that going. That's it for opening your Shopify store, and see you guys in the next video.